Bible Center Church has been an oasis for over 20 years and a place where prayers have been answered, bodies healed, minds restored, and the lives of the people in our community have been changed. Where the rich history of faith through 3 generations and God's faithfulness continues to shine bright as a beacon of hope. With all that has been accomplished and all the many blessings we have seen in education, employment, entrepreneurship, and our environment, none of this can be possible without you. We want to take a moment to share some of the names and faces of Bible Center so you can become familiar with the many people whose contributions help us make earth more like heaven.
Good morning, family. I'm Bernice Jeffries Perkins, Bible Center's Ministry Service and Administrative Coordinator. My role consists of coordinating various aspects of activities such as planning trips like last year's Ark Encounter or leadership retreats, both which include hotel, transportation, restaurant accommodations. I coordinate outreach to members who are in need of a little helping hand, meals, transportation to medical appointments, etc. I work with members to serve at various special events, ensuring that we have on hand everything needed for that event. I oversee the rental of Bible Center spaces, this auditorium, atrium, the multi-purpose room, and the outdoor classroom. I provide support as requested to the various ministries, the Makers Clubhouse, Oasis Farm and Fishery, Chapel, etc. And of course, I provide support to the pastors as requested.
Hi, my name is Paula Day. I am the founder of Amazing Achievers. We are a bunch of single seniors over the age of 65 who have decided that we want to live a life a little bit more fully, and so we have collectively teamed up to pull that off and to help each other as we age gracefully going forward.
Hello, my name is Ron Harper, Director of Operations and Executive Chef for Oasis Foods, which includes Oasis Community Kitchen and Everyday Cafe. Some of my responsibilities include onboarding food-based businesses into Oasis Community Kitchen, supplying fresh food to Everyday Cafe, and catering for outside and inside the organization. Everyday Cafe providing support, overseeing production, and connecting with the community. These are a few things that I do as Director of Operations here at Bible Center Church.
Hello, my name is Maxine Gross, and I am the Women's Ministry Leader here at Bible Center Church. We are composed of multi-generational women, and our goal is to grow closer to God as we grow closer to each other. And we do that by studying God's Word together and by the great fellowships that the women's plan here at Bible Center. You have a special invitation to come and join us. I believe you will enjoy the ministry. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Kaya, the manager down here at Everyday Cafe in Homewood, where we provide the best space to meet and greet. We serve the best food and the best coffee, so come on down and check us out.